Good afternoon, guys. This is Rayana Storm. I wanted to make this quick video and let you guys know that I appreciate the inboxes, the text messages, the compliments, and the words of encouragement. I really do. This journey was not easy. I know a lot of times we make it seem that way, when we go through things, because we want people to see our end results. But the process, and it's challenging because I love to eat. Anybody who know me know that when it comes to me and my food, I will drive for some good food. So it hasn't been easy, but it has been worth it. So what I want to do in appreciation of you is send you a weekly supply of what I used, so that you can get the benefit that I did, because I am that sure. I guarantee that you will greatly benefit from it. You will benefit from it so much that I know I'll hear from you again. So for the next 10 people that comment all in under this post, I will send you a week supply of the product that I used to start my journey. Now, I'm either going to do every other person, or I don't know which way, but I'm going to do it. Okay? So, I'm only going to leave this post open for the next 2 hours. That's it. So, I look forward to hearing from you. Please continue to watch my journey, for it's not over yet. My goal is to lose an additional 20 pounds. I'm going to share my process, the things that I use, the things people don't want to tell you. I'm willing to give it all up. I mean, there is no secrets. How do we encourage, support one another if we keep everything a secret, right? So, I look forward to hearing from you. You have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.